Hey guys, Jack Bennett here for the third part of our little series that we're doing this week on single stroke fills. In this one, we're going to do something that's a little bit more complex than the previous two. You'll notice that this fill only goes between the snare and the first tom. It's basically two patterns of 4 and a 6, and then two more patterns of 4 and a 6. And so the patterns of 4 go 1, 2. That's the two patterns of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 6 on the snare leading into the kick. So 4 of them are on snare, right, left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So far, this is the first half of it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have exactly the same thing, but we start on the opposite drum. Now we go 1, 2. All right. Oh. And then we're going to end with a nice flam at the end. So all up, we've got this. So I'll talk you through it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And end with a flam. And that's all it is. You can reorchestrate it as well. There you go. Once again, like the other two, if you need a choppier fill, this is a really good one. Check out Rudiments around the kit if you want more fills like this, not just single strokes, but all 40 rudiments and how you can apply them around the kit in a fully structured, completely 100% downloadable course. Check out the link below for Rudiments around the kit, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.